Okay, so our project was like a desktop buddy. A problem that I have a lot is monitoring my Claude Code usage. A lot of times I'll just be giving it prompts, and all of a sudden you run out with like the 5 year or 5 hour rotating usage. So we decided to make a fix for that.
Yeah,
Uh,
so as Hayden said, our problem is kind of monitoring like the usage. Sometimes it's kind of hard to find, whatever like AI chatbot you're using, the type of usage you have and how many more like, good prompts you have. So we thought, hey, why not try to make this kind of fun and, a bit more easier for like people that are using AI in that way. And so we thought, bring in a widget. And so yeah, we that was our idea to kind of bring a widget into that. And so obviously, the kind of the prompt here for the project was bringing joy. And so just having a widget would be kind of boring. So we then kind of thought that we wanted to bring in like a Tamagotchi type of like interface into the widget where as you interact with the AI and you use your prompts and you use your chats, your prompts, you actually fill up like the health bar and the status, the happiness of your Tamagotchi, was what we call it. So it's kind of like we are wanting the users to use the AI. We're also we're showing like the how much good responses they have left. But we kind of went in the direction of having like the happiness go up, the meter go up as you use your prompts, because we thought that it would be better for users to kind of like, how do I say this? Use the actual the AI because it improves like your how do I say performance, not performance. I'm
Engagement.
blanking on the word. Engagement. Yeah. Sorry, I'm blanking on the
Nice.
word. Yeah. So yeah, you get more work done. You're using AI, you're getting work done. And so we thought, yeah, let's kind of like make that happiness meter go up. Let's make that meter go up. And so yeah.
So I can do a demo here.
Let's get that
Uh,
demo going.
we'll do that slide after that. So yeah, we built it with Node. Basically, you just do npm start. It will bring it up here. The first time you start it up, this is going to be with Claude Code. You're going to have to log in. So you go log into Claude Code. It's got some music here. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but some Pokemon style music. So this is just a regular, logging into Claude. I'm going to type in my email here, and then it's going to send me the code. I will enter that code, and then you get it
Oh,
verified,
I
and then
love
it's got
this.
basic
This is
little
so
usage right here.
cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I
So then you can
love
turn off the music
this.
if you want. You can go in here and then you can, rename your guy, whatever you want. You can call him Larry. And then Larry will say some little things. If you click on him, it will bring up your Claude. So you can actually see that this is my usage right here. I got 1914 and it puts it right there.
Oh my God, I
If you
love
don't
this.
want this on your screen all the time, you can just do a little minimize thing. We got that. And then you can make sure that it stays in the front all the time so that whatever you do, it's always going to be here. We get that. And then, like, let's say you're coding, doing some vibe coding, whatever stuff, it's always going to be here no matter what you're clicking on. There's also a
This is
dark mode we
sweet.
got, so you can make it like nighttime. Yeah, I think it's a good blend of utilitarian and then also, being a little bit fun. There's some different kind of guys you can do here. And then we also have some achievements. So once you hit, your maximum usage, then you get an achievement. If you do it for 7 days in a row, you're hitting your usages, you can get some achievements too. And then you get a streak of how many days you have hit your usage limits. So he gets happier the more you go. And then here's like a demo mode of at different usage modes what the little guy would look like and then stuff that he would say. So, like about ready to nap if it's full, or if it's not full, then he will beg you to prompt him or use Claude Code. And if you're not using Claude Code, you're going to be stuck in the permanent underclass. So you need to ship stuff.
This is awesome. One thing that just springs to mind here, this makes me joyful, is What? Okay, what did you guys think of this idea before this
Um,
before today, or is this like of a today idea?
Okay.
The
I mean,
Tamagotchi part
It's
was
funny.
today.
yeah, it was like that wasn't the main kind of challenge we had. It was like we
Guys,
kind
this
of
is
knew
super
the
cool.
yeah, the prompt was kind of like kind of hard to like follow, to kind of like kind of get an idea. But we thought, what's like something that like I always knew about, like, or well, I thought was kind of cool, is like, the concept of Tamagotchi, right? And so we thought of, kind of like bringing in like productivity, as Hayden said, with like the utilitarian, and mixing that with like, again, the Tamagotchi, kind of having some fun with it. But yeah, it's a pretty cool idea, I guess.
This is awesome. You guys should definitely like get this out. Like this is awesome. One thing that I would love is if I could have it with my Slack. So my team could see how happy my Tamagotchi is in my Slack.
Yeah.
That would be sweet. I already see guys, some of the guys on my team right now, like have this they have this thing for their CLI that's like a Pokemon, and then it like integrates, like every day they get a new Pokemon in their command line interface in their terminal.
That's
And
cool.
Yeah.
yeah, it's super cool. But they also integrated with their Slack. So if you got, again, put this on prod so I can use this, I would love this. Also make sure it's
Mhm.
secure, because like once I'm signing with Claude and stuff, like I got to be careful about it. But like I'm stoked. That's super cool. This is a great project, you guys.